everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. So we are early June, I am at the ranch and I'm gonna take you around for a full tour, farm animals, but we're gonna start with the garden where I'm at right now. Let me show you around because there is so much going on in that garden. So yeah, there's a lot. So look at that one. Here we've got some gojies. They are growing so nicely. The goji berries, we started with just one and now it's like everywhere. Everywhere. All these goji expanding, so extremely nice. Let me take you around here. We got several rows of veggies and watermelons. They are still growing everywhere, the watermelons. Look at that. Yeah, the flower, they're flowering. I mean, we had, if you've seen my husband's channel, he tilled the garden. There was still a watermelon in there and it's grown like wild. So, but here are the rows of veggies. So what do we, look at these flowers here. These are our cucumbers. Wow, they are growing very nicely. Lots of cucumbers. I can hear the bees. Oh yeah, look at that. Pollination at full. I'm not gonna stay too close. I see a lot of bees around all these flowers. That's the beauty of the country. You have a lot more bees than in the city for sure. Tomatoes here. Tomatoes. Oh yeah. Look at these tomatoes. Very nice. So that's just one row here. So what do we have? Oh, the beautiful flowers here. Look at that. They're on the other side. Let me just go on the other side of that row here. Look at these beautiful flowers. Very nice. Yeah. More of these flowers. Well, quite a bit of okra to be picked up here. Pretty. All right. I know we planted quite a lot of peas. What else do we have? Oof, more tomatoes and peppers here. We've got rows of peppers, but these are cherry tomatoes. Oh yeah. Some are already red here. Ready to be harvested. Where are the red ones? I saw some red. Oh yeah, look at this. Sounds like lunch to me here. Yeah, that one is already started to break. Yeah, got quite a few very red tomatoes in here. All right. Wow. So all these are tomatoes. Pretty green. Oh well, I said green, but some of them are ready to be harvested. All right. More. What else do we have? The famous peppers. I know we've got quite a lot of peppers. So, ooh, that's basil. Oh, it's started to flower already, but that sounds like a good idea for lunch, huh? Tomato basil salad. That sounds about right, given the heat. All right, what else do we have here? Yeah, I'm not coming too often, so it's always a big change from one trip to another. I know we had issues with our zucchinis and squash. We got quite a lot of bugs and it did not produce much. But here I see some broccoli. They're flowered, the broccolis. They completely flowered here, as you can see. So it's pretty much gone for the broccolis. And here are the kales, and the kales, they are beautiful. Wow, we got a row here. Well, I could add maybe some kale to my salad here. Huh. All right, what do we have? Do we have any squash or zucchini left here? I'm not sure. As I said, the bugs were terrible. I don't see much. So I would say no for the squash. And here I think we got a row of corn in the back. But yeah, that is it for the garden. You have the greenhouse right there where we grow citruses mostly. But yeah, that's a very quick garden tour. Well, actually, some squash might make it. I think the bugs started at the very beginning of the row. But, let's see if we get something here. I see some flowers, so we never know. We might. And, oh, one more squash here. Yeah, that one actually, it's a zucchini plant and it is growing. So hopefully no bug here. Hopefully. Hey, it's a mix. I see another one. All right, in the middle of the corn. All right, so that's the garden. Now let's move on to the farm animals. So I hope you're enjoying this little farm tour. If you are, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's turn you around to see all the animals. I'm here standing in the middle of the chicken coop. It's full growing season for the chickens, a lot of babies, and I have my daughter here. And I think little Angie, yes, you want to pick up some eggs here. All right, what do we have? Ooh, you're actually disturbing. I think we're sitting.
Oh, wait, can I get a bucket?
Wait. Okay, well, that is an American Bressie that's supposed to be white. But given the ground is extremely red here, the chicken is reddish, kind of, you know. Same color as the ground everywhere here. Yes, you're sitting. See? All right, these are our bantams usually. So all you can see here, these little eggs are the bantam eggs. All right.
They're nice and warm because the chicken.
They're nice and warm. Yeah. They were just laying. All right, and quite a few actually. Pretty clean. Look, they look fresh. You have one on that side.
Look at that egg, guys.
Yeah.
Super clean.
Super clean. Yeah. Okay, don't even try next to her. She's gonna defend her. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Angeli. Let's continue here. The little tour. The rooster is here. So these are all the babies. As you can see, a lot of babies. Actually, they're all on the other side now. They got scared. So here we've got our laying hen, the Bressies with one rooster, two roosters. Yeah, let them. Actually, we've got a mix. It's a bantam laying in there, Angie. I don't see any egg here. I don't see any eggs. So the babies, now they're all going on the other side. Don't be scared. Why are you scared? Yeah, so we have some very little ones and some bigger babies here. So from a few days old to a few weeks old. Still a heat lamp despite the 90 degrees, because as you can see, the very tiny ones are right there under the heat lamp. They still need the heat. More eggs in here?
Yeah.
Not sure how old they are.
How old? They're dirty.
What happened to you here on your forehead, on your head? Doesn't look good. You got attacked or something. All right, we'll pass. So all these cages in the back. Roosters. I don't know how, but we always end up with too many roosters. Way too many roosters. All right, let's see if we got more eggs. I let her collect. So not much happening with the quail this year. We don't have many actually. We got 4. We haven't hatched any, but we probably should because we're getting very low in quails. So the bantam roosters, the worst. They're small, but they think they are invincible. So here we got the turkeys and the goats, right? How are you? How are you? So the goat territory expanded tremendously all the way up. As you can see, the fence. They are pretty much clearing land. But the food is here, so they always come back. Where is Peanut? Where's my favorite? I don't see her. Oh, they're coming back. Peanut? Oh, that is you. You're coming back. Yes, that's one of our first goat. Original. First one. Yes, Peanut. I know. It's you. I recognize you with your blue eyes. I know. And that's our male, Fabio, right there. Yeah, Fabio. Hey, hey. You're always friendly, coming to say hi. And you're probably wondering, why do they have all this area and I'm stuck in that pen, huh? I know you want to be with your girls. I know. We're giving them a break. We've had quite a few babies already, so little break. That is Emma, the emu, the baby emu. Young, not baby anymore actually, just young emu. Right, Emma? Not sure if it's an Emma boy or an Emma girl, but that was her name at birth, right? You were Emma, so you're staying Emma. She's living a happy life here with 2 pens just for her, next to Mom and Pa. We tried to put her with Mom and Pa, but it didn't work out. They were picking on her. So she's also next to the peacock, which is beautiful, right? Look at that peacock. Very, very beautiful, but apparently very mean, so I'm not gonna go inside. The lady is in there too, but I don't know why she's not laying. Last year we had a few eggs, but this year we got nothing, so I don't know what's going on with these two. Behind you see the lady emu. Oh, she's coming. You're coming to say hi, lady emu? Is it the lady? Are you? Okay, let me back off. Yeah, she's the lady and you're the male, right? You're bigger. You have to be the male. You look much bigger than her. But honestly, yeah, and it's just your face. You got that friendly face, right? You're the boy. You're the boy. And the blue neck, you're the girl, right? With the little hair up. Yeah, that's the girl. Yeah, emu, emu. You don't want to do a little run like yesterday? You were so funny when you ran around. Hey, we say hi? You're gonna peek on the camera. I know, I'm backing off. All right, we'll come back. We'll come back. So going this way, though, these are our fruit trees, fruit orchard. Some are producing, others are not. So that's a peach tree and it is producing a lot of peaches. They're just not ready yet. The one over there, one of them has some good peaches ready. Let me show you maybe a bit closer on our way to see Pig. So another peach tree that is not ready but producing. So this one is ready. I got one yesterday, but some of them are already starting to be picked by birds, I'm afraid. So, but that one, yeah, or not doing too good. So, ooh. Well, here you see somebody's having a feast here on that peach, right? Oh yeah. All right. So that's the peach orchard. Well, the peach, actually. That, I believe, is an apple tree, and that one is an apple tree too. I just don't see any apple this year. But we're gonna get fig, which is very positive. Last year we didn't get any, but we have 2 fig trees, and this year, look at these. We got some fig growing almost everywhere on the 2 trees. Look at this one here. Hey, it's like everywhere you've got baby fig growing. So this is pretty cool. A lot of them. So not ready yet, obviously, but it's a very nice start. Yeah, look at these here. So very, very nice. I'm not too sure what that is. Doesn't look too much of a fruit tree anymore. So wild vegetation here that just grows back. So here we have pie. One of my original, one of the first baby turkey I hatched over there in the big city. She was sitting on eggs about a month ago. Or maybe more, she hatched some babies, and unfortunately they did not make it. And I believe she's sitting again. Pie wants to be a mommy, but it doesn't look like it's working. So yeah, Pie, your special baby, yeah? I'm not even sure they're fertilized. That's the thing. Well, we'll see. We got 28 days to wait here. So here we got just a few rabbits left. So here is Moonshine, right, that we found at our RV park. Cute little rabbit, very cute Moonshine. So here it used to be Hop Hop, we disappeared. And here we have Rebecca. Right, Rebecca? Little mini Rex, very cute. Very, very cute Rebecca. Not as cute as Isabella. Wow, we're starting to have some kind of hole here. That is not good. We want Rebecca to be safe, huh? And Becca? Oh, you look like you're almost out of water. We need to put more water. And here, the stars of the show, Peppa and her son, Gizmo Jr., right? Yes, 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 you're the stars. I don't have food. I just came to say hi. Yes. Not sure he's getting her pregnant. Not sure at all. But they're doing good, right? He's doing good. She's just way bigger than him still. So not easy. Right? But yeah, that's our farm animals.